Do you want Target to pay you? And we're talking about $3,000 to $5,000 per month for simply doing Target reviews directly from home. Now, I'm going to show you Target's website and we're going to go over this whole thing together. And I'll actually give you additional tips and I'll show you a couple of different strategies that you can do to make as much money as possible. All right, let's get right into it. So we're into Target's partner website. And they say that you can partner with the brand that you love, which most of us love Target, right? I know I do. Anyways, you can earn up to 8% when you promote your favorite Target finds with the Partners program. Now, this is something that you could do 100% on your own terms whenever you want to do it. So Target is incentivizing individuals, businesses, creators to start promoting their products and getting paid for it effortlessly. The more that you help introduce people to Target's online brand, the more you're going to get paid. They're going to give you some help when it comes to creating different posts that will earn you money. So don't forget, I'm going to show you a few ways and give you some inspiration on how you can actually start earning with Target. But let's just go through the steps of actually signing up together. It says that it's only going to take us about 5 minutes to complete. And it tells you about the different bonuses and it gives you information about each category and how much you can earn for each category. So it's looking like apparel is probably going to get you the most commissions if you start doing reviews on Target clothing. Then the second runner up is going to be home and outdoor living, then baby gear and furniture. Now that isn't to say that you can't promote other products like health and beauty. However, they just show that you get only 1% of each sale versus getting 8% of each sale when you're reviewing other products. So we're just going to go through all the stuff that nobody usually reads and press accept. And then you can sign up with your email. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hold on just a moment. If you can hear me, what I need you to do is to go into the comment section right now and leave me your most recent emoji. This is something fun that we do here so that I can interact with as many of you as possible. Now, also, I gotta tell y'all this. YouTube is telling me that over 80% of y'all are not subscribed to this channel. We need to fix this right away. If you're somebody that likes to earn money and you want to stay up to date on the newest ways to make money online, then you need to tap that subscribe button. Okay, let's get back into the video. If y'all don't already have impact.com, that's where most of these companies are doing their referral programs from, and you can actually sign up independently if you want. Anyways, I have Impact. I talk about it all the time, and I'll leave the link for you guys to sign up below. If you don't have Impact, they're just going to have you sign up for it. Impact is 100% free to sign up with. So now what you'll be doing is just agreeing and accepting the terms of the contract. So from there, you will need to wait for a decision to be made so they can either accept or reject your application. I'm not exactly sure why they would reject your application, but if they do, I am going to show you some alternative ways that might be even better than this. And I'm going to show you some examples on how you even make money with this without showing your face. If you were to get denied for the Target Partner Program, do not worry because you can use Wayward where you might not be able to do exactly Target products, but you will be able to do review and make money from products from Amazon and other big brands. So these are going to still be in the same categories of what we were talking about, like the baby products, home and living, clothing, you name it. You can find it here on Wayward, and then you're going to create your own free storefront where you can showcase these products, and it's going to be the same process of promoting products, doing product reviews, and getting paid for every purchase that you get. So you get a specific commission. So you can see this is my storefront. I have things from dog accessories, books, clothing. So here are a lot of different brands and categories that you can sign up for. Some of them you do have to be pre-qualified, but most of them you are already qualified for. So as you can see, when we were talking about Target's commission, they were paying 1 to 7%. But these are some brands out here that are paying 11%, 25% commission, that are paying 8% commission. So if you sign up for Wayward, where you're not going to get denied, you will be accepted. There is a way for you to also promote and make money off of any Amazon product without having to be in the Amazon Partner Program. If that's something you guys want to know, I need you to type in the comment Amazon so I could do a full in-depth video on that. Now, what does this even look like? And how could you do this if you don't want to show your face and you don't want to be an influencer? Well, there's different ways, like you're seeing here, where there are many creators on TikTok, on other platforms that are simply showcasing things like clothing that they bought from a store, or they're showcasing skincare products. Now, you see some of the young ladies here who are showing their face, but there are plenty of faceless channels and TikTok channels that don't show their face and they just do product reviews. Now, if you are comfortable with that, then that's even better. But especially on platforms like TikTok, they even have the AI voice. So if you don't even want to record your own voice, you could just put the text to audio in there, and then it will do whatever text you put and bring up a AI voice. So these are some different things that you can do to start earning money in this way. You can use Wayward as a supplement or even in addition to you using Target or Amazon affiliates and everything else. And remember, if you want a full breakdown on how you could use Wayward to start promoting any Amazon product, just type in the comment section below Amazon and I could do that. So there is something for pretty much anybody to promote. This is simply about making money off of the things that you already use on a daily basis, especially as women. I know that if you're not shopping at Target, you're definitely shopping on Amazon. So you need to be making some money for just simply reviewing and referring friends and family or people on social media to what you've purchased. Also, if you guys want a full video breakdown on how to actually make money with affiliate marketing, let me know, and how I make a full-time income through affiliate marketing as well. So this is not something that I'm telling you to do that I haven't done before. I've absolutely done this before with multiple affiliate links and multiple referral programs. So if that's something that you want to see, just let me know in the comment section below. And before you go, if you want some more money making tips, you should check out these 2 videos here because they're going to give you some great information. Okay, y'all, my name is Diamond Chanel. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.